You trying to get Daddy's feet wet?
Daddy?
Yeah?
I want to pour water in the bucket.
Go ahead. It's your water. It's your bucket. It's your world, bro.
No, Daddy put water in my bucket by himself.
There's lots of water in the bucket.
No, there's not water in the bucket. There's not
Well,
water in this bucket.
okay. Get the bucket and put water in there.
No.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to put, Daddy put water outside. Daddy put water on there.
What you doing? Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. Aww. Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. Daddy's got water. Aww. Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. Oh, Mr. Clever Man. Pretty smart. Careful. Is this going to be Percy's water and bucket review? 2 cuppies? 2 cuppies.
Yes.
Okay. Percy's water cup review. Take that, Ryan's toy review.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Put it in there.
You put it in there? Okay. It's going back in.
Daddy put buckets in the water.
Okay, do it.
Oh, Daddy, what? And then
Like this?
no, not like that.
You said put the bucket in the water. Oh, you meant put the water in the bucket.
I made put it in there.
From the house? What's wrong with that water? Just greedy. You must work for Nestle. Ooh, zing.
Daddy?
Because they don't pay much money for the water that they steal from California. Just throwing it out there. Ah! Airborne. Hey. I didn't sign up for getting wet. But now for the real hero of the story. Batman. Hey. Alfred Pennyworth. Uh-oh, Batgirl. Yes.
That's a black guy.
No. Ah, you get
That's a black girl.
Batgirl right there. It's Batgirl.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. She's a girl and she's a bat suit wearing ninja butt kicking woman.
No, it's not.
Because we believe in women's rights and equality.
It's not.
It is a Batgirl.
It's not a black girl.
It is a Batgirl. Splash, splash, splash. Percy's outside taking a bath, getting the phone all wet. Good thing I'm up for a new phone soon. Ta-da! Oh, that was so bogus. You got me all kind of wet. Ah! Oh, I'm glad you enjoy that. I just took a shower, so I'm getting a free natural Percy sponsored spa treatment. Ah! Those are some big water drops, bro. Plane.
Daddy?
Yeah. Percy. I love you.
I love you.
I think you love getting me wet. That's what that is. All right. Thank you for watching Percy's water bucket cup review. Yay! Uh-oh. This is going to end bad. No, no, no!